Hello, welcome everybody. Hello, welcome to APG.Studio and another 10 minutes yoga session today for strong balance. I'm going to try some balancing poses on your one leg to improve the strength in your legs, in your core, improve the strength in your joints as well. So if you've got some issue with your hips, knees or your ankles, this is good session for you. Before we start, please subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss any content from my channel. And now you're ready to start. I'm going to start with your legs first. Widen on your shoulders width apart. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, relax your shoulders. And now right arm. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And side to side. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Both arms. And exhale, relax. Okay, now feet together. Engage your abs, squeeze your glutes, and try to lift your heels. Think about your hips movement, okay? That's the center of the gravity. That's your secret for good, strong balance. So muscles here needs to be engaged right now. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Okay, now strong muscles, right leg. Use your quadricep, use your glutes. And you're trying to lift your left. Inhale, slowly exhale. Depends how is your balance today. Maybe you need to place your foot down the floor or hold off the ground. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Remember, you can do as many reps as fine for you. Yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. You can change your leg right now. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Excellent. Now, left leg. Inhale, bend your knee. Try to lift your foot high. Exhale, press to the floor. As you're bending your knee, pull your knees together. Okay, hold your knees together. Inhale and exhale. When you move your leg out, you're going to change position of your hips, and that is the way you're losing your balance. Okay, inhale and exhale. And two more. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now your right leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. and relax. Okay, strong right leg, the same muscles, your right leg, muscles in your thigh, and strong glutes. And now move your left leg out, just your leg from your hip joint. So it doesn't matter if your knee is still pointing forward or you've got your leg pretty wide to your left side. It's all about keeping hips square. Okay, so avoid any rotation in your upper body, it's just your leg. And try, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, shoulders relaxed. Inhale and exhale, maybe one more. Find position you can hold, maybe toes on the floor, maybe a little bit higher. We're avoiding placing foot on your knee joint. Okay, so you need to be below or above your right knee. Any position right now, any option, okay? Point is, you've got strong balance. And nice smile on your face. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And relax. Okay, now right leg. Inhale, control muscles on your left side. Exhale. So you need to remember, it's not about how high you can lift your leg. Point is, how stable is your position, okay? Because that gives you the idea. If you're controlling your muscles and you've got enough strength, especially here, your core and your legs. Inhale and exhale, find your position. Foot lower, higher. If you still find, try with your arms. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And maybe one more. Well done. And relax. Okay. Now let's fold forward. Bend your knees, hips low so you can touch the ground. If you're struggling, use some furniture. It could be coffee table, it could be chair. So you can place your hands right now to keep your balance, all right? And you're trying to lift your left leg. Inhale, slowly exhale. If your balance is stronger, you can try with your left, right arm or both right and left behind your back. Inhale and exhale. Point is, your left foot, the back leg, is still pointing down. If you rotate your leg, you move out, you're going to lose balance straight away. So avoid lifting too high and making movement from your hip. Okay, this is only your leg. Inhale and exhale. If you're fine, try to hold. If you're ready to stretch your hamstring on your right side, keep your right leg straight. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Relax. Now, right leg. Inhale. And exhale. Again. You've got good balance. Try left arm behind or both. Keep your right foot flexed. Toes pointing down. Remember, that's the point. You've still got good balance. Inhale, exhale down. If you're ready, try to hold. If it's not too much stretching for your left leg, try to keep your leg straight. Good breaths. Nice smile. I know it's harder to smile, but try it. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And relax. On your 4. To child pose. How was it? Good? Yes, we're going to start easy and simple to slowly, gradually improve the strength in your body to be ready for some more challenging poses. But that's the foundation to start with, okay? And slowly roll up, lift your arms, and exhale, relax. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Okay, so that was our 10 minutes yoga session. This time for strong balance. Strong balance means you've got strong core and strong joints, ankles and your knees especially. So I hope you enjoyed it, this session with me today. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. You can leave the comments. If it's your first time, if it's your first video, or you've done some previous sessions as well, maybe from last week, the 5 minutes, I will put the link in here as well, so you can try it if you miss it. And yeah, exactly, I'm really busy on my channel, so please subscribe and turn on notifications. Never miss any content from APG.Studio channel. So thank you for now, and see you for another 10 minutes yoga tomorrow. Bye guys.